Hey guys, Smuggler Spell here, and today I'm going to build Kang the Conqueror from the comic versions. Now, spoiler alert if you haven't seen episode 6 of Loki, I chose Kang because Kang is in the last episode of season 1 of Loki, called season finale. It's kind of weird name. I don't know why they couldn't call it He Who Remains. Now, this is my version of Loki, Kang. This could be done any way that you want to. I just chose to do it like this because I felt like it was easier, and all the pieces felt like they were there. So, let's get into it. So, I'm going to go to File, New Model, go to OK. Now, I've already done multiple versions of this, so this is just my favorite one that I've done so far. So, I'm just going to pull myself out just a little bit. Because there is this weird thing block. I need to be able to access something from over here. So, superheroes, lower parts, minifigures, lower parts, superheroes, Marvel. So then you want to go all the way down. You want to go to the 2019 sets. Now, this is the exclusives. We'll be getting into exclusives later, but that's for the heads. But we're just going to use the body of Mysterio from Spider-Man Far From Home. And then we're going to go down, superheroes, upper parts, Marvel. And then scroll all the way down. Now this is not since I already had this open, I can already access the stuff, but when you log on, you'll have to go through all the pluses. You have to click all the pluses to get all the figures. So you just keep going, and then keep going, but after these, you want to keep going to the 2019 sets. Click Mysterio, then you want to go to heads, and then where is it? Superheroes, Marvel, and then you want to get into the exclusives. Go down to the exclusives, and then click the Electro, this version of Electro from the 2014 exclusive minifigure from Amazing Spider-Man 2. It seems pretty close to Kang the Conqueror, except you have this kind of microchip or like an inhibitor chip for Electro, but that doesn't matter now because it looks pretty cool if you put the helmet on. So then we go to head clothing. And then you scroll down. You want this helmet, this one right next to the aqua ones. Now, as you can see, this is in black, and this is in gold. We're going to switch those out for different colors. So I'm going to click multiple because you can just do it a lot better. So then you can go like that, and then you want this bright reddish violet. There have been some other colors that are pretty close to the Kang purple. So, in another version of Kang I had done was with the gauntlets going up to half of his, going up half of the arm, with special arm pieces. But I'm just going to show you a variation of that super quickly. So, I'm just going to move this to the side. I'm going to make this dark green. And then multiple. I want to change those hands really quickly and do that. So then now you have the Kang. Now you want multiple. Switch the hands and the arms out. So hands and arms. And then I've seen that I've made a mistake. So you want multiple, click these, move them like that, and then you click on this one which is highlighted like that. You close that one out, then you move this in. Now, this is my version of Kang, an early version I had done. I didn't really like it like that, so I'm just going to leave it to the old version. So I'm just going to click the backspace. So then there you have it. You have your version of my version, actually, because there are hundreds of other people who could have done it like that. Now, like I've warned people earlier, Mecabricks will always leave something behind sometimes. It will leave things behind. This is a kind of like a glitch in the system. It will highlight, you erase it, but the piece is still there. So, it is kind of hard to not notice. Sometimes you have to reload the whole thing, but for the sake of doing this video, I am not going to do it. So I'm just going to click that black piece, and then we're going to go to bricks, special, circles, and then this piece in black, and then you can move it out like that, and then that's the accurate version if you're using a Lego piece. But if you're on Mecabricks, you can just move it in like that. If you want to make it look like a continuous gun barrel instead of this kind of slit edged piece. Now that's my version of Kang the Conqueror. Now remember, like I've warned some of you earlier, this will happen 50% of the time. Actually, it will happen 1/3 of the time. There'll be times where it goes like this, and then there'll be another time where you won't get everything, and then there'll be another time where it's just fine and everything loads perfectly. Yeah, that's my version of Kang the Conqueror from the comics, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.